Do you know exactly when to use to you, for you, and at you? In this video, I'll give you the clear difference and exactly when to use them, okay? We use to you when something is directed, sent, given, or said towards you. So when something is being directed, sent, given, or said towards the listener, then to you is correct to use. Now let's identify the questions here that to you is the correct answer. After that, we'll talk about for you. Okay? Blank every small win deserves to be celebrated. Here, we are talking about the listener's opinion. The speaker seems to know the listener's opinion, so he is saying that to the listener, every small win deserves to be celebrated. So this is about the listener's opinion. This is someone's opinion, so we use to you. In other words, we also use to you to talk about someone's opinion. Next is, I owe an apology, blank. Here, the speaker directs his apology towards the listener. So, to you is correct to use here. I owe an apology to you. Next is number 5. I'll send this directly blank as soon as it's ready. Here the speaker is talking about sending something directly to the listener. So here something is being sent to the listener. So to you is correct here. I'll send this directly to you as soon as it's ready. Next is number 7. The credit for this idea goes blank, not me. Here, the speaker says that the credit shouldn't be directed to him, rather it is to the listener. So, to you is correct here. So here, the credit is directed towards the listener. Now, let's look at for you. We use for you to say that something is of benefit to the listener, or something is helpful to the listener. Now let's identify the questions here that the answers would be for you. 6. I bought this shirt blank. Here, the shirt is being bought for the benefit of someone. So it's about benefit. Therefore, for you is correct here. I bought this shirt for you. Next is 8. This chair is reserved blank. Here, reserving a chair is to help someone. So we use for you. This chair is reserved for you. Next is number 10. I made this juice blank. Making juice is to benefit someone. So this is about benefits. Therefore, for you is correct here. I made this juice for you. Next is number 12. I have good news blank. Of course, when we talk about good news, it is for someone's benefit. It is good for someone. So for you is correct here. I have good news for you. Now let's look at the last expression, at you. We use at you when an action is directed towards you. So This is for at you. Now let's look at the questions that the answers would be at you. 3. The dog barked blank you. The action of barking is directed towards someone. So we use at you here. The dog barked at you. Next is 4. She laughed blank you during the presentation. Here the sentence suggests that the action of laughing is directed towards someone. So we use at because it has to do with action. She laughed at you during the presentation. Next is number 9. He threw a stone blank you. Here we have the action of throwing directed towards someone, towards you. So we use at here. He threw a stone at you. Next is 11. Why are you shouting blank me? Here we have the action of shouting and it is directed at me. So we use at. So this replaces at you. We use at me here. Now the last one, the teacher gave the assignment blank in class. What do you think about this? Let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next grammar lesson.